In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change country in Google AdSense. Changing the country tied to your AdSense payments affects taxes, compliance, and how you get paid, so accuracy matters. The important thing to know up front is that the country on your payments profile can't simply be switched in place. The practical path is to verify what's currently set, adjust your time zone if needed, and if the country is wrong, close the account and create it again with the correct country. Start by signing in to your Google Ads account, which surfaces the same payments profile used for your monetization. Once you're in, head to Billing or Payment Methods. This is where you can clearly see the location tied to your profile. If you notice the country is incorrect, that's your confirmation that the profile was set up for the wrong location. Next, open Settings. From there, go to Account Settings. Take a moment to review what's listed here so you understand how your account is configured. Find the time zone setting and update it to the correct one for your location if the option is available. Time zone influences reporting timestamps and billing cycles, so aligning it with your actual location helps keep your statements and performance data consistent. If the time zone is locked, that's normal for some accounts. Just make sure you choose carefully if you still have the ability to change it. If the country is incorrect, the fix is to close the account and remake it with the correct country. Before you do that, pause any active activity. Download the reports or statements you want to keep, and make sure there are no outstanding balances or refunds pending. Closing is typically irreversible, and it will remove access to historical data within the interface. So exporting anything important ahead of time is a smart move. When you're ready, close the account. Then sign in again and begin setup with the right country. During the setup flow, you'll be prompted to choose country, currency, and time zone. Double-check each choice carefully before you confirm, because these settings drive how your payments are processed and are difficult or impossible to change later. After you've finished setup, revisit Billing or Payment Methods to confirm the country now reflects your correct location, and look back at account settings to ensure your time zone is aligned. With that, you've effectively corrected the country for your AdSense payments by recreating the account with the right details.